Clean air, a human right. Good afternoon. My name is Abhishek Arora. I'm the filtration expert with Camfil Canada. I'm going to take this opportunity today and talk about the importance of a filter housing and where the filter goes matters. A filter housing is as important as a filter, and a filter is only as efficient as the mechanism that supports it. If we install a filter in a housing without a proper sealing mechanism, there will be air bypass, which in turn will negate the whole purpose of the filtration system in place. So what are some of the questions we need to ask the OEMs or the manufacturer in order to make the best selection for a filter housing? Those questions can include the quality programs that the OEM follows in its manufacturing facilities. Some of the programs that come to mind: ISO 9001, NQA1, etc. In case of HVAC or comfort air applications, we must always make sure the integrity of the housing to ambient leakage is minimal and the OEM has documentation to support it. And for more critical applications like hospitals, clean rooms, nuclear facilities, you need to be more careful and stringent. Are the housings fully welded or skip welded and caulked? This is key, especially in applications where we have pathogens or any particulates of concern in the airstream that can pose a threat to human health. The OEM needs to test each housing individually for leakage and its sealing mechanism, and they should be able to provide you with the factory acceptance test reports and the certificate of conformances. Can the HEPA filters be validated in situ and locally? And if so, can this be done with minimal downtime? The housings need to be easily serviceable, and your maintenance staff should be able to change the filters with ease. Remember, reduction in the time spent on changing filters will result in positive labor savings for your customer. The two takeaways that I would like to empower you with today after watching my video: safety first. Select the right filter in the right housing to protect our most important assets, the people. And value engineering does not mean value elimination. Remember, a robust and a durable filter housing is crucial, as it can also help contribute towards your sustainability goals. Ask us how we can help.